Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had two directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis. Looking at Facebook on the daily and weekly time frame, so we're getting tight. We saw profit taking today, and the bears had momentum into the close. So we have higher lows. The two levels I'm watching are 129.52 and 130.30. And in terms of resistance, we have the all-time high of 135.49 and now a lower high at 133. So the immediate range I'm watching is 130.30 and 133. And if we get a break of one or the other, that will indicate short-term direction. We have a bearish MACD cross underway right now. The middle Bollinger Band support is catching up to that low 130 support. And we should see a clear break of those two ranges by the end of this week. On the weekly time frame, we are currently not confirming the clear bearish reversal candlestick from last week, but there's 3 trading days left to go, so we need to be watching. If we see a break of 130.30, then we will be confirming this bearish reversal candlestick and seeing further downside. So it's a pretty critical tightening range that we are seeing, and we could put a resistance line here. The highest close we have seen in Facebook history is 133.23, and that is where we have pulled back a couple times. So tomorrow is going to be pretty telling. As I said, momentum is favoring the bears, and we'll see if the bulls can hold a higher low compared to 130.30. So looking at Facebook on the 5-minute time frame, that bearish action, the bulls were out in full force the first 20 minutes of the day, but we hit that psychological level to the penny, and then we pulled back. We bounced off the 20-period moving average support, so the bulls still in control. We form a lower high, and then as soon as we break that low of 132.41, we then have a lower high and a lower low, and our only support, or our nearest support, is the low of the day. So that is when the bears took over as soon as 132.41 broke. And then from there, it was lower highs and lower lows for the next 2.5 hours of the day. So not much upside at all besides the first 20 minutes. The bears absolutely controlled the vast majority of the day after that. And looking at the hourly time frame, we do still have some key support. The 100-period moving average is holding 131.57, but we did lose that 20-period moving average as support. That's now resistance at 131.98. So the bulls are still holding on. They still have some hourly moving average supports. But like I said, we closed near the low of the day, and the 5-minute chart did not see many movements to the upside that would indicate any bullish strength. So all about 130.30 support tomorrow. We'll check back in and see if the bulls can hold it. Have a great night.